Sir, is it visible?
And this is the slide I shown to you. We will go to the quickly the second slide for the interest of the time. Girish, can you go to the second slide? So these are all the companies providing internship to you. Always the best company is Internshala. So Internshala is having maximum tie-up with companies, and also maximum number of students registered in Internshala. Just Girish, click the link of Internshala. We will show how this Internshala website will be there and how they can explore Internshala. Click that link. Girish, hope you are. Yeah. No. I want in the second slide, please. Second slide. Click Internshala link. Yeah, that link. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm not having my Wi-Fi working here. I borrowed net from my son's hotspot. Yeah, Girish, any problem?
Yes, sir. Now it is fine.
Yeah, most probably it is taking time to connect. This is the Internshala website. If you go to the Internshala website, you can see what they're offering, what are the various things they're offering. In this, actually, there is a window called online training and internship trainings. Yeah, Internshala training programs. If you see, there are so many training programs highlighted in it. You can in core engineering, what is there in core engineering, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, etc. These are all there. Now you can explore in programming, machine learning, core Java, programming C and C++. These are all there. So you can explore Internshala. If you are interested area, you are able to find it out. Then you can register for that course. Please verify. But this Internshala is a very trustable internship provider, online internship provider. They are having a tie-up with AICTE also. AICTE is also promoting the internship opportunities provided by Internshala in a very big scale. Therefore, Internshala is one very good online portal which helps you for online training programming, online training programs, and online internships. So this is about Internshala. I don't want to give more details. Now you can start exploring what is there in Internshala. This is the number one platform in India who are providing online platforms. So we will go back to the slide again. We will see the second one, the second largest internship provider. Girish, go back to slides. Yeah,
Sir, is it visible, sir?
Yeah, visible now. The second one is 2Max platform. It is very good. I saw literally I spent almost 30 to 45 minutes yesterday in this particular link, and they are doing wonderfully well. They are coming up with very good internships, paid internships, etc. Just explore. We will send this PPT to your WhatsApp groups, so you can go through with these links. Then I don't want to show all the links to you for the interest of the time. But in this also, so many things are there. And the third and the best one is 2019. This 2019 is a very good portal, and they are offering very good wide range of online training programs and internships. This 2019 is one more online internship platform. It is nowadays picked up like anything. So many people are giving very good feedbacks about 2019 internship. Recently, I discussed with one industry guy. He is telling this 20. He is promoting this 2019, and he is telling this 2019 works like anything. And Let's Intern is another internship portal. Please go to the Let's Intern portal also. This Let's Intern portal, I personally visited this Let's Intern portal. Recently, so many people are joining in this portal. So please explore to this particular portal. And if you're having any questions regarding anything, we are available in WhatsApp groups, or you can send a detailed mail to us. We will see your mails and we will come back to you. Myself, Girish and Barney is working on this, and other placement team members from the core area also will join. If any sort of internship suggestion you want it, so these are all the information we gathered. So Let's Intern and Intern World are another two websites providing very good internship opportunities to you. Why I am giving all these alternatives? So because your interesting area is different and some Internshala is not providing internship in your interested area, you can search in Stumag's platform, or you can go to 2019, or you can go to Let's Intern, or you can go to Intern World. But be careful, see the experience of the students already doing online internships in this particular platforms. But all these platforms are very much trusted platforms for online internships. But I want to ask, I want to answer one question. Some people are raised: is internship is very important? Internship is very important. Why it is very important? So always the interviewer wants to see your practical experience. So if you are see, he is interviewing three people: X person, X student, Y, a student with a name of X, a student with a name of Y, and a student with a name of Z. Suppose Y is having in his resumes internships, X and Z is not having the internships. Obviously, he score 1 point or 1.5 point more because of having internship in his resume. Therefore, I request, particularly startups, when they are hiring, they'll give a lot of priority for these internships. So remember one thing: this year, for example, 30 companies came for giving 800 offers for your seniors batch. This year, we want to meet that number, around 600 number. We should go to 60 to 70 companies. So that is therefore when we are approaching the small companies, startups, etc., they always give priority for internships. So if anybody is ready to give internship, whether it is a paid internship or it is not at all having any financial contribution to you, I request you all, please go to internship, irrespective of stipend you are getting it. And these are all the some important online internship platforms. And I will show you some more in next slide. Girish, next slide, please. Girish. Yes, sir. Somebody asked a question that Internshala is 8 weeks learning course on C, C++. Definitely that will be considered by the companies when they are conducting the interviews. No doubt. If it is Internshala is providing a online course of C, C++, but before going to the course, just to see the contents of the course. The contents of the course is on par with the learning or not. The moment you are feeling that on par with learning, then you can go ahead with that Internshala. Definitely Internshala 8 weeks, any internship above 6 weeks will be considered by the companies as internship. That minimum is minimum, they see 6 weeks program. And all other things are, all other platforms are. Hello Intern is another platform that also you can explore. And Freshers World, just when you're going to the Freshers World, see the internship topic they are giving, and experience of others also. Fresher World is a platform. They're very good in providing off-campus recruitment and full campus recruitment informations. They are having a good connect with some companies, but I don't know the experience of internship in Fresher World. In Fresher World and Glassdoor, please see the internship topic they are providing, and the company they are having tie-up, or the industry mentor they are having tie-up. Please go to that details, and you can take a decision according to that. A very important platform is LinkedIn internships. If you are having any LinkedIn already group, please explore this immediately after this session. What I request you to please go to this LinkedIn internship link. That is going to helpful to you like anything. Now, and one more thing, actually, I was not incorporated here. And please note down, Accelerator. That is another company. They are having very good connect with so many companies. They are doing wonderfully well. Their internships are accepted by so many startup companies in Bangalore region. Actually, Bangalore region startup companies are promoting Accelerator platform. Accelerator is another this thing I forgot to include in the presentation. Please go with Accelerator internship also. Accelerator portal also. Their internship platforms also. Right. These are all in a nutshell. These are all the various online portals helping you to get do your internship. Even some in this particular Internshala is definitely is having a wide portfolio. They are having internships for mechanical students, electrical students, electronic students, etc. But how online internship will be helpful to you for your domain? You should check with your faculty members. You should check with your HODs, etc. But they are providing very good internships with tie up with very good companies, right? Therefore, that's why I given almost 10 various internship portals to you. Particularly, you want to do internships in your domain area. First, explore LinkedIn internship link. That will give you lots and lots of support, because so many people, so many startup companies are requesting for the internships in that particular LinkedIn internship link. Please go to that link. It will give you more idea. After going to all these links, do some research, take a note which is best for you. Then automatically, this is the Accelerator, very good. Accelerator Summer Internship Program 2020. This is an excellent program they designed, and I request you to go to this particular program. This program is widely recognized by the various companies. And I saw the content of this program. This program is absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Good learnings are there in this Accelerator internship. But I am giving choice to you. We are not promoting anything. Always internship is depending upon the choice of the student and mindset of the student and his interested area. These are all the various platforms they're helping. And so many companies are having tie-up with AICTE. AICTE is also recognizing these things. And suppose, for example, you have an interest of doing MBA after your BTech. There is a portal called CAI. CAI portal is there. Gnan Academy. The internship provider is Gnan Academy. You can note down. I was not included in my presentation. Global Gnan Academy is also giving very good internship leads to you. They are giving a CAI Smart Manager certification program. That CAI Smart Manager certification program is definitely helpful to you. You want to be in the managerial career after your engineering. So do that particular certification. Global Gnan is the website name, right? So these are all various these things. Accelerator, Global Gnan, all these are all not included in the presentation, but all these are all very, very, very important. First, you go to today what you are supposed to do. First starts with LinkedIn internship exploration. What is there in LinkedIn internship link, and then go to Internshala, then go to all the websites with your piece and with your pen and paper. Start exploring to all these websites. Then you write your interested area. So then you know which is providing which platform is providing exactly the internship as per your interest. But I suggest strongly, as you are missing summer internship program this year, online internship definitely plays a vital role when you go to the interviews. The Girish is showing the Global Gnan to you. This is a Global Gnan website. Thank you, Girish. You are very quick. Thank you very much. This is the Global Gnan website. So you can go to this Global Gnan. All these Global Gnan internships are accredited by CAI and AICTE. AICTE and CAI all these courses they accredited. They are considering if you are doing any internship in Global Gnan, they are almost all ready to ready to award 300 hours equivalent internship for this particular program. Absolutely, this Global Gnan Accelerator, Internshala, these are all having a tie-up with AICTE. The moment you do any internship, academically also they are considered as internships. Now I can take questions. These are all you can explore at the time of sending the PowerPoint presentation to your WhatsApp groups. Girish will add accelerator and Global Gnan also, and he will send it to you. Some question is there from Sai Smita Reddy. For internships, there is a skills required section. Unfortunately, we are not having all the skills what we have to do, sir. See, that's why I said all are not connecting with skills. If you are not having skills, if you are able to get these skills through some online courses, please acquire these skills. Then you can go ahead with the internship, and don't bother about much skills. Start something, then automatically you will get, without starting you are thinking about so many things, it is very difficult. But start something, definitely it will end it in a productive and positive way. Sir, can we do intern in any company, or doing intern in a reputed company where something more than a normal intern, sir? See, for example, you are doing intern, AWS is offering some cloud based internship opportunities. Suppose you are interested in cloud infrastructure, you are doing in that particular area, it will be good. And remember one thing, now in the present situation, internship is important. The company what you are doing is not important, because no company allows a physical internship up to August end, I think. Therefore, you are supposed to face the company drives in October, November. So physical internship is not possible. Don't bother about the reputation of the company. See the content of the internship you are doing. If content is good and they are guiding properly, that is more than enough. See, project management, graphic design, etc. Those are all comes under the secondary ones, right? First of all, if you're a computer science or IT guy, I prefer internships in machine learning, artificial intelligence, any topic related to data science, cyber security, maybe IoT. These are all. If anybody is offering internships in these areas, that is better to take first. Maybe in mobile app development, these are all the things. But don't go to the graphic design and other project management courses. That will be helpful the moment you join in any company. If your job is related to that, that will be helpful. But a graphic designing internship to not having more validity in the resume. So try to do something which is very close to your curriculum. See, the moment you are telling that you are interested in teaching, which company will hire you? They'll ask you to pursue your MTech and go for teaching. Therefore, see, there are two things here. So you want your internship will be helpful to get a job, then you can plan in one way. If you want to do with your passion, that is a different one. But if you are an MTech student, and your interested area is teaching, and you are doing some internship related to teaching, definitely that will have a weightage. A BTech student doing internship for teaching, that won't give any weightage. That is not that much suitable for the BTech students. Yeah, suppose you are asking some feedback from all the already people who are who done internships in various online platforms. We will try to get someone, but so many testimonials are there in all these websites. You can see the testimonials. The students links also given. You can interact with them in various social networking websites, and you can get the information. So you also should explore, right? So so many communities are there in LinkedIn and Facebook regarding this online internships. You can go and see the reviews, or maybe so many online reviews are available. You can go to the online reviews, then you can understand what these companies are doing, and what benefits you can get it. See, companies offering with stipend, companies of charging fee. These two are different things. This question is asked by Tatavarti C. Surya Satya Nagabadri. See, your area is IoT. In IoT, your interest area is IoT. In IoT, no one is offering the stipend-based internship program, but some companies are giving very good internship opportunity, with very good practical experience, but charging fee. Go ahead with it. Investing for the career is not at all a problem. So if if it is a paid internship, if you are paying for that and the area is close to your heart, I request you go ahead with that. See, stipend based internships you are getting, that is well and good. If stipend based internship you are not getting, paying fee and doing some internship is also very good. For mechanical students, which CSE fields like machine learning, cyber security, etc., would best according to your opinion, sir? For mechanical students, first of all, you should be very thorough in the programming language. Any certification in the programming language is the best one. After that, if you are having any project related to any digital area, because always they'll see a mechanical student doing some digital project, any machine learning, artificial intelligence, according to IoT. Better is always IoT, and you want to do anything, you can do it. The moment if I am the interviewer and doing interview for a mechanical student, how I will start? I will start with seeing your resume. So I'll ask one or two questions in the resume, then I'll ask one or two questions from your domain area. Immediately after I am seeing internship in computer science area, I am very much impressed. I'll ask one or two questions in that particular area. If you are able to answer, you will be selected. Because mechanical engineering student doing any sort of digital, any sort of certification program or any sort of internship in the computer science area, absolutely you are highly picked by the companies. ICT Academy is a very trustworthy academy. ICT Academy is doing wonderfully well. They have MOU with all reputed companies. Internships through ICT Academy, I strongly suggest. If that area is interested to you, ICT Academy, I know the people who involved in the ICT Academy. I have the personal close relationship with CEO and Amarnath of Andhra Pradesh in charge, etc. They are doing wonderful work. They are having very good connections with so many companies like mechanical. Also, they are having very good connections with Brakes India, Renault Research Wing. They are having very good ICT Academy. Don't think that they are doing only for CSIT. They have excellent connections in electronics industry and mechanical related companies. Definitely mechanical engineering related companies. So ICT Academy, definitely I strongly suggest. If anybody wants to do any internship through ICT Academy, please go ahead without any second thought in your mind. Always doing internship in core field is preferable first. Add on you can do in the software. But first electronics, EEE, mechanical, chemical, civil students, do internship in your core area one, and time permits, then you have the capacity of stretch, then you can go ahead with the software related internship. See, for EC students, I always treat EC on par with CSE when it comes to the software companies. I never see in my placement professional career CSE hiring more, EC hiring less. So it is not like that. The moment EC guys are very good in problem solving, very good in one programming language, very flexible to work in IT industry, you will be treated as on par with IT industry, because in IT industry, vertical called telecommunication vertical is there, technology business unit vertical is there, manufacturing vertical is there, and engineering services vertical is there. For these four verticals, always they prefer the students from ECE, EEE, and mechanical with very good core knowledge, and one computer science and one proficiency in one programming language. If you are not getting response from Internshala, give one more reminder mail to them. Otherwise, explore the same topic where it is available in other things. And guys, you are from ECE, mechanical, EEE, electric, EEE, chemical, etc. First do internship in your domain area, then do add-on in computer science area. That is my suggestion. Okay, so as I said, I'll finish at 12:10. So I want to finish it now. You will get the information whatever I shown to you in PPT as a attachment in your WhatsApp groups. Please explore. But one thing, today is 25th of April. By next Monday, you should be ready with your internship topic. So at least from May 1st onwards, you should start doing your internship. From May 1st to June 30th, if you're able to do 8 weeks internship, that will be very much helpful to you in getting the jobs. So put a timeline. I request all of you by 25th evening or 26th, finalize your topic and where you want to do internship. And May 1st onwards, start doing internship. By June 30th, finish the internship. Definitely, these internships are going to play a vital role. Why it is going to play a vital role? I'll tell you. This year, for your batch, probably pool campus recruitments will be there. That means you are going to compete with not only GVP college students. You are supposed to compete with all top-notch guys in the state and country. At that time, in the resume filtering, what will be there? Internships definitely. మీ అందరికీ తెలుగులో చెప్తాను, మీకు అసలు మీరు టెస్ట్ ప్రాసెస్ క్లియర్ అయ్యారు. టెస్ట్ ప్రాసెస్ క్లియర్ అయిన వెంటనే మీకు ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ఉంటారు కదా, ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ లోని మిమ్మల్ని డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వచ్చేటప్పుడు 50% వాడి దగ్గర ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉంటుంది, మిమ్మల్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి అక్కర్లేదు. అది ఎలాగో తెలుసా మీకు? వాళ్ళు రెజ్యూమ్ ఫిల్టరింగ్ అని ఒకటి చేస్తారు. వాళ్ళు రెజ్యూమ్ స్క్రీనింగ్ దగ్గర వాళ్ళకి చాలా మందికి సాఫ్ట్వేర్ టూల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. వాళ్ళకి వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారంటే, మీరు మీ దగ్గర ఆన్లైన్ లో మీరు రెజ్యూమ్స్ అప్లోడ్ చేసి ఉంటారు, ప్రొఫైల్స్ అప్లోడ్ చేసి ఉంటారు. ఆల్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కంపెనీస్, ఆల్ మేజర్ కంపెనీస్ ఈజ్ హ్యావింగ్ దిస్ టూల్. వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారంటే, టెస్ట్ సెలక్షన్ అందరినీ వాళ్ళ రెజ్యూమ్స్ ని ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తారంటే, ఎవరెవరికైతే క్రెడెన్షియల్స్ ఉన్నాయో ఆ రెజ్యూమ్స్ ని పక్కన పెట్టమని సార్టింగ్ చేస్తారు. సార్టింగ్ చేస్తే, సపోజ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, మన కాలేజీ నుంచి 100 మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు, ఇంకో కాలేజీ నుంచి ఇంకో 100 మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు, అలా 600-700 మంది ఒక కంపెనీ రిటన్ టెస్ట్ లో సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యారు. వీళ్ళందరికీ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ కండక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ కండక్ట్ చేసి టైంకే ప్యానలిస్ట్ దగ్గర ఒక ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఏం ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది అంటే, విచ్ రెజ్యూమ్స్ ఆర్ స్ట్రాంగ్, విచ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ స్ట్రాంగ్, అండ్ ఇన్ అడిషన్ టు యువర్ టెస్ట్ స్కోర్, దే విల్ గివ్ score in resume score by seeing your resume. Therefore, resume is very important. Not only resume is very important, credentials is very important when you are going for the when you are going for the mass competition. So if it comes to on campus, అంత ప్రాబ్లం ఉండదు. ఆన్ క్యాంపస్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మీరు బాగా మాట్లాడేసి మీ చేసేస్తే పర్వాలేదు. కానీ ఇప్పుడు చాలా హైరింగ్ ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే, పూల్ క్యాంపస్, మీ బ్యాచ్ పూల్ క్యాంపస్ ద్వారా ఉంటుంది. నేను అనుకోవడం, విప్రో ఉంది అనుకోండి, విప్రో మోస్ట్ ప్రాబబ్లీ దే మే గో ఫర్ పూల్ క్యాంపస్ దిస్ ఇయర్, నాట్ ఆన్ క్యాంపస్. అప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి? బాగా టెస్ట్ రాయాలి. బాగా టెస్ట్ రాసిన తర్వాత టెస్ట్ లో సెలెక్ట్ అయినప్పుడు మన పర్సంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ కన్వర్షన్ ఇంటూ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ పెంచుకోవాలి అంటే మన రెజ్యూమ్స్ స్ట్రాంగ్ గా ఉండాలి, రెజ్యూమ్స్ లో క్రెడెన్షియల్స్ స్ట్రాంగ్ గా ఉండాలి. కాబట్టి ఇంటర్న్షిప్ చేయమని. వై ఐఎమ్ ఫోర్సింగ్ యూ, యూ వాంట్ టు స్టాండ్ ఇన్ ద నేషనల్ కాంపిటీషన్, డెఫినెట్లీ యూ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ one internship program in your hand, right? So I think no more questions are there. We will finish this session. You will get the PPT as a attachment to your mails, and you have any doubts, any queries, etc., you can interact with our placement team. Anyone, Girish sir, Barney sir, Santoshi madam,
all your coordinators, Ravindra, Rajendra, ECA, Ajit, these are all background. They are doing wonderful work. These people are fantastic in their work. And I want to announce one more thing to you. Tomorrow, Sunday, we invited one person from Girish. You have the details, because those details are there in my WhatsApp. Just a minute, hold on. I'll give the details to you. Tomorrow we are arranging.
We will share them later, sir. But just inform that EC people will having the IoT workshop.
That workshop is an IoT.
Yeah,
Can
yeah.
you tell the name of the person, Girish?
No, sir, I too don't know. He's an EC
No,
background
I
student.
have
Okay,
the
fine.
details.
Okay, okay.
Expert is Ganesh Kumar, sir.
Okay,
He
okay,
is
okay.
from the telecom industry, and he cleared his IES, and he is an alumni of our Gayatri Vidya Parishad, and he is having an excellent gate rank. I think more details I'll let you know. But tomorrow 2 p.m. if anybody is interested in IoT, please join. The invitation link will be sent to you by evening, and you are going to have a very good, great session by Ganesh Kumar sir, who is having very good experience in telecom. Why telecom industry? I am telling you. Now you are seeing the COVID effect and the data importance and optical fiber networking concept, etc. These are all telecommunication business is going to increase like anything in coming years. Therefore, this talk is very important. I request all of you, please join in that particular meet tomorrow at 2 p.m. I'll send the invitation link to you. The topic is IoT. The person who is delivering the talk is having lots of experience in telecom industry, right? With these words, thank you very much for your participation. We keep bother you like this only until you will get some career option in your hand. We will put one or other things like this only. Please spare your time. I know so many constants will be there, but we will keep doing the workshops like this. So tomorrow we are having workshop on IoT, and next week we are planning a very good workshop. Very good workshop. I'll announce the workshop details if I'll get tomorrow. In the tomorrow's workshop, I'll announce those things. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you.